message is transmitted at the request of Sonoma County Department of Emergency Management. Test. 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 The following civil emergency message test is transmitted at the request of the Sonoma County Department of Emergency Management. If this had been an actual emergency, information on what to do would be heard here. No action is required as part of this test. Repeating, no action is required as part of this test. For more information, please go to SOCO-test.org or call 2-1-1. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio in support of Sonoma County Department of Emergency Management. Civil emergency message.